in this business that will make you more money than any other skill. And the top money earners will all say the same thing. It's the art of promotion. So when you think about promotion, it's promoting the next big event, promoting the Super Saturday, promoting the speaker that's going to be speaking on the Zoom, promoting the next international convention, promoting the October 5th Dallas, Build Bigger Leadership Conference. It's always about promoting that next thing. And there's a big difference between telling somebody something and promoting something to somebody. So very few people want to come to a business presentation. But most people do want to come and meet successful business people. And so if you're having a live event, if you say, hey, come on out to this event, we're going to be talking about this business, it's difficult to get people to come out and spend their time to come to a business presentation. It just doesn't sound that fun. But if you say, hey, we have a special event going on this Thursday night, and this person is coming into town. I can't even remember the last time they were here, but this person has an incredible story. They do an incredible job helping you understand how you can create more success in your life, how you can create more wealth in your life, how you can, do the things, I've heard you talk about the things you want. This person does a great job talking about how you can have those things in your life. I'd love for you to come out and meet this person.